Real burnt ends take hours on a smoker, and I'm not doing that today. So we're making pork belly burnt ends in the air fryer. Crispy edges, sticky hot honey glaze, and way less work. Start by cutting the pork belly into 1-inch cubes. Don't go too small here. Tiny pieces can dry out before the fat has a chance to render. Now, season it up with brown sugar, paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and a little cayenne. Give everything a good mix until the pork belly is coated. Then let it sit for about 15 minutes. That little rest gives the seasoning time to stick and pull some moisture to the surface so everything coats better. After the rest, add about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil and toss it again. Now into an air fryer at 360 degrees for 30 minutes. Don't rush this first cook. That lower heat gives the fat time to render so you get tender pork belly instead of biting into a chewy chunk of undercooked fat. Shake it really well 1 or 2 times while it cooks. After 30 minutes, shake it again and bump it up to 400 degrees for another 10 minutes to brown up those edges. While that finishes, let's make that hot honey glaze. I'm using Milton Honey Farms Murder Hornet honey. I'm adding a little bit of Worcestershire and a splash of vinegar to cut the sweetness. Later I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of those pork belly drippings from the pan. Sweet, smoky, sticky, and just enough heat. Now check the temp. I'm looking for around 200 degrees because pork belly needs to get tender, not just cooked. Once it's there, toss it in the glaze. Give it a good mix. Now, back into the air fryer for 5 more minutes. This is where it gets glossy, sticky, and dangerous. And look at that. Crispy edges, tender middle, sticky hot honey glaze, and you didn't even have to babysit a smoker all day. This one is an absolute air fryer win. Now check back next week for my next air fryer victory.